Not sure if gold belongs in your retirement plan? You're not alone. A lot of people feel like they need to be a financial expert just to figure out if it makes sense for them. But here's the good news. You don't have to guess. There are a few simple signs that gold might be worth considering, and I will walk you through them. Let's break this down. Here are three types of people who often include physical gold in their retirement strategy. 1. The pre-retirees. If you are approaching retirement and want more stability, gold can help protect part of your savings from stock market swings. 2. The inflation-worried investors. If you are concerned about the dollar losing value over time, gold has historically been a hedge against that. It doesn't rely on any one government or central bank. And lastly, the diversification seekers. Maybe you just want to balance out your portfolio. Gold isn't tied to stocks or bonds, so it adds a different kind of strength. You don't have to be all in on gold. But for a lot of people, it plays a supporting role, one that protects against risk you can't control. If you're trying to figure out where gold might fit into your own plan, I've linked a free ultimate guide below this video. There's one in particular called Why Precious Metals, and it walks you through how gold and silver can help preserve purchasing power when other parts of your retirement are exposed to risk. The truth is, gold doesn't work for everyone. But if you are in a phase of life where protecting what you've built matters more than chasing returns, it's worth learning how gold fits into the bigger picture. That's what this Gold IRA Ultimate Guide is for. It's not full of hype or sales talk, it just breaks things down in plain English so you can make an informed decision. You will see why central banks still hold gold, how average people use it to hedge long term risk, and how to think about precious metals without pressure. So, if you're even a little curious about whether gold belongs in your retirement mix, go ahead and grab that ultimate guide below this video. You'll get the Why Precious Metals Guide, plus several others that explain gold IRAs, inflation, and even the future of digital dollar.